I made some dollars on YouTube even with less than 100 subscribers. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how I made some dollars, that is over $100 on YouTube, even with less than 100 subscribers. And if this is the kind of video that you would want to watch, please do well to hit the like button so that YouTube can be able to push this video to other people who like to know how you can earn on YouTube even with less than 100 subscribers or 1000 subscribers. And please subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be giving you premium value on each of my videos. So without further ado, let us go straight into the video. I made some money on YouTube. Trust me, I never knew that you can actually make money online even with less than 100 subscribers. Currently I have less than 30 subscribers. I have less than 30 subscribers, but I've been able to make money online. Trust me, if you have a phone, if you have a mobile phone, you can make money online. Have you heard about digital products? You can make money from digital products. Even without talking about digital products, you can make money from coaching. You can make money from sharing your ideas. Now, how did I make my own money? So I know some things about skincare. Yes, I know some things about how to treat pimples, how to treat acne and all of that. So I was online one day and people were complaining on comment section that they are dealing with this kind of skin problem, like pimples, like rough skin and all of that. So I quickly dropped a comment on the comment section and said that in case if you're interested in learning how to make this product yourself, that I can actually teach you with a token. And then you do it yourself, whatever way, on however way that you please to do that. And you can do it even whether you are in the country, because I'm currently in Nigeria, whether in Nigeria or outside the country. So when I posted that thing, I thought that nobody's going to actually give me an audience, or nobody's actually going to see that. But after some time, I got a reply on that comment. Please, I am interested. How can you teach me? I was like, okay, wow. And before I knew it, the person said, okay, that if I can send my email address, the person now said, okay, that we have to connect on email. So we connected on mail and we started talking. Then I had to move it down to WhatsApp so that we'll have easier communication. And trust me, men and brethren, ladies and gentlemen, this was how we get talking. So I told her how she's going to do about it. I told her things she's going to do, how she's going to do it, how she's going to process it and all. So after doing that, what I thought I was not even it did not even take up to 10 minutes of my time, and she made the payment. She paid me. Yeah, God. I will show you you will see the picture. You can see me smiling, and you can also see me when I was in the bank, when I wanted to cash out the money. I was so happy. I was so happy. I am here to tell you that YouTube pays, TikTok pays, Instagram pays, like whatever social media platform that you are in, maximize it very, very well. Another thing I want to tell you is that as a content creator on YouTube, use your YouTube channel, see your YouTube channel as a shelf, where you keep products. You understand? You know, when you walk into a store, you will see shelf where the products are being advertised, or where the products are being kept so that people will see and buy. See your YouTube channel as a store where people walk into, where it's true that there are passerbys. Passerbys are those people that will see your video and scroll, but there are people that will see your videos and they will click. Those people that will see your video and click are not like people that saw your store and entered. So treat each video like a product. Treat each video like a good that you are selling, because if you give out value one way or the other, people will ask you questions. And if you're able to give them value, if you're able to answer their questions, if you're able to give them solutions, you will get money. Right now, a lot of people have not even started earning on YouTube like I am. YouTube have not even started paying me, but I can be able to now sell online. So if you have ideas about digital products, if you have ideas on how you can, digital products, ebooks, and all that, you can actually create an account, and you can actually create an account on Seller and sell your products and get your money. So you can easily sell your product to those in US, you can easily sell your product to those in Nigeria, you can easily sell your product to everybody and anybody that is in any location. Okay, so don't take your YouTube for granted. Don't see that you're just making a video and you're just posting, so you don't even need the whatever, let me just do it anyhow and just post it, I just want to post so that I will meet up with the deadline. No, treat your videos as a product that you are selling, and you don't know who is watching your video. That is the truth. YouTube does not tell you that so person watched your video or so person watched your video. You only saw views, and those views are human being, right? So you don't know, maybe the person that you admired so much, or that you wanted to be like, that you wanted to meet or something, that person may be one of those 3 views that you got on your video, maybe one of those 5 views that you got on your video, and you're complaining that you don't even have a lot of views. But you don't know that the people that watch that particular video are people you wanted to meet, or people you wanted to be like, or people you are admiring. Okay, so treat your videos like they are products, treat them like goods, give in your best. Now, another thing I want to tell you is that set up your account in a good way, set up your account in an appropriate way. What is the name of your YouTube channel? Let me start with that. Are you answering I don't know, I don't want to say something so that people will not be like that I'm insulting anybody. But what is the name of your channel? What is the name of your channel? What is your channel talking about? How did you set up your channel? What is your profile like? What is your description like? Like, description of your channel is what I mean. What is your channel setup like? Is there any email or link that someone can easily click so that the person can easily reach out to you? For instance, for me now, I dropped my email link on my channel setup, so anybody that has anything can easily go to my channel, and then can easily go to my channel profile and click on the link there, and it will take the person directly to the email, and the person can drop a message. So treat your channel like a store. Be so professional about it, because the truth is, how you dedicate your time, or how you treat your channel, determines the kind of people that will reach out to you. Okay, so see your channel as a store, and treat it that way. Take it so serious, take it professional, be professional about it. Don't just come online with scattered hair, don't just come online with any kind of clothes and because you want to make a video and post. No, dress well, treat yourself well, and then give out value. The most important thing is that you give out value. Trust me, if you give out value, people will look for you. It may take time, it may take some time, but once you start giving out value, people will start looking for you, they will look for you. Okay, so always make sure to give out value. That way you'll be able to get money from it, even without YouTube paying you. Another thing I want to tell you is that monetize your knowledge. Whatever idea that you know that you have that can help people, whatever skill that you know that you have that can help people, whatever thing that you know that you can sell. Some people even have knowledge, have skills, but they don't know that they can actually sell those skills. Some people even have skills, they have ideas, but they don't know that they can sell it. Yes, they don't know. So now, okay, you will not tell me you have a skill, you have an idea, but how do you sell it? How do you know your potential customers? How do you know people that would like to buy from you? First of all is to package yourself, package the idea, package the knowledge that you have. If it's about something that you think that people will read and learn from, good, then write it as an ebook, and then go to sites where you can easily put your ebooks on, and then you can sell them. So make sure to package whatever thing that you have. If it's an audio that you want to, a lot of people are now buying audio this, audio that. People that create audios and sell them are now making so much money. They're now making a lot of money. So if it's about audio, if it's about skill, if it's that you want to show your face, fine, just go online and search. Like I said, I will always suggest, if you don't know how to start, go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT can help you with a lot of things. People are just underrating this ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT that you have this idea, and you have this idea, you have this. How do can it suggest to you how you can sell your ideas? Can it suggest to you how you can package your ideas? Can it suggest to you how you can get your potential customers, your potential clients, your potential audience? Trust me, a lot of people are selling lands. Yes, landed properties. A lot of people are selling landed properties online. Somebody in Nigeria will sell landed. When I was working in a real estate company, I sold a land for someone that was in Canada. Do you understand? So you can always make money no matter the location. Just make sure that you are legit. I'm not saying that, don't, just make sure that you are legit. Don't be a fraud. Don't scam people. Make sure that you are legit, because you are trying to build a legacy, you are trying to build a community, you are trying to build trust. Okay, so make sure that your ways are plain. Make sure that you are transparent. Okay, so go online and ask ChatGPT that you have so idea, you have so thing. How can you transform these ideas into sellable products, into something that you can sell and get money? So once ChatGPT will always give you answer. It will always give you solutions. It will even tell you how to go about them. Okay, so if you have zero knowledge, if you have zero whatever, if you have zero knowledge about how to go about this thing, just ask ChatGPT. It's not a must that you must always have ChatGPT app on your phone. Go to Chrome. If you go to Chrome, type ChatGPT. Once you type ChatGPT, it will come out. Click on it and then stay logged out. Click on stay logged out and ask ChatGPT whatever you want to ask ChatGPT, and it will give you an answer that will blow your mind. Once ChatGPT gives you an answer, if you want an in-depth explanation, you can tell it to tell you how to package those answers that it gave you, and then you make your money. Yes, so you can imagine under how many minutes I made some dollars. I made money. Like I know it's not like $1,000, it's not like $10,000, but trust me, it was so much for me. It was a lot for me. Like I was so happy that I could actually make money online. So you can also make money online. What is that thing that you think that people are interested in? What is that thing that you know that a lot of people want, or people are likely to desire for? If it's solution, if it's ideas, if it's video, whatever, you can even create an ebook. You can even create an ebook on how to bake. Even if it's how to bake cake, how to bake velvet cake, how to bake chocolate cake, how to bake. You can even create an ebook on how to cook African dishes, how to cook Nigerian jollof rice, how to cook egusi soup, how to cook this, how to cook that. You can even create an ebook on how to cook intercontinental dishes. Once you are doing these things, trust me, a lot of people are interested in this kind of content. A lot of people are interested in ideas that you never knew, those things that you can do. Even if it's how to make perfume, even if it's how to just think about it, just think how to decorate your home, how to do DIY, do it yourself, all those crafts. If you know that you are good with it, learn how to turn those things that you know, learn how to turn them into ideas, learn how to turn them into sellable products. That is why digital products are now making people that sell digital products are now making so much money. There is a lot of money online. Trust me, there is so much money online. And not just that you get money, not just that you sell and get the money. If you are good and people start knowing you, you can start getting collaboration gigs, you can start getting advertisement gigs, you can start getting sponsorships for the simple thing that you never knew can fetch you money. So the most important thing is that get the idea and make sure that you are giving out value. Value can be in the aspect of the knowledge. It can be in the aspect of just make sure that you are giving out value. If you are giving out value, trust me, you will make money online. If you like something from this video, please give me a like, subscribe and turn on your notification bell. And please drop on the comment section the kind of idea or something that you would like to sell. You never can tell. I will give you an idea on how to go about it. So drop on the comment section and tell me something that you want to turn into a product, something that you want to sell, or something that you want to do so that people can buy from you. Put it on the comment section and I'll make sure to give you an idea on how to go about it. Okay, so if you find this video very helpful, like I said, subscribe. We are growing a community. Check out my other videos. You see that I have value packed videos. I don't just talk on this channel. I give value. So if you subscribe, remember subscription is free. If you subscribe, you're going to get value for your subscription. Okay, so always like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Don't forget that I'm rooting for you, and I'll see you on the monetization side. Bye bye.